So for this example, we're going to sketch a piecewise function graph. So what is piecewise function graph? You can notice that when x greater than -2 is a straight line for x minus 1. When x is less than -2 means going to the left is another straight line for -x plus 5. So I simplify the function first. So x minus 1 for x greater than -2. So the another function is -x minus 5. So means this graph is going to divide to two portions of the graph, where the point of separate this function to another function is occur at x -2. So when x -2 greater than it, for this right hand side more than -2, we are going to draw x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a straight line, is a linear with positive gradient, means going up, line going up, intersect at -1. So intersect at -1. So what's your starting point here? Because it's not going to go to the left hand side of -2. So I have to find out when x is -2, your starting point of this graph, y is equals to -2, -1, so -3. So here included. So this is my straight line. Start from -2, y coordinate is -3, positive gradient, going to intersect y-axis at -1. So this is the first piece, which is to the right hand side. So to the left hand side, continue to the left hand side where x is less than -2. So when x is less than -2, it's a straight line also, linear, negative gradient. So it's a line that go down. So go down. So when I want to draw the line go down here, so how far? How far they want to go down? They will go down until -2 only. So the last point of this graph will be occur at x equals to -2. So what is coordinate? So it will -3. So here will be occurring the last point of this graph. So going down. So what is our x-intercept? What is our x-intercept for the first graph? So we have to calculate for the first graph, the x-intercept, I will let y equals to 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. This is the first graph for the x-intercept. Meanwhile, for the second graph here, at the left-hand side, the x-intercept, I will let -x minus 5 equals to 0. So -x equals to 5, so x equals to -5. So lastly, we label the function, the piecewise function here. So this is our fx. Alright, so this is our fx. So we were understanding this is our -x -5. This is our another graph, x plus x -1. So they're changing graph at coordinate x equals to -2. So lastly, label the axes, x-axis, y-axis, and origin.